In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Keep with Google Calendar. This integration can be incredibly useful for managing your notes and reminders alongside your scheduled events all in one place. Let's dive into the steps to make this connection seamless. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. You can do this by simply typing Google Calendar into your search engine and clicking on the top result, which is usually the official link to the site. Once you're there, you might be prompted to sign in. Enter your email address associated with your Google account and then click Next. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. As always, it's important to ensure your password is secure and something only you know. Enter it carefully and then click Next once more to access your Google Calendar. With access to your calendar now open, you'll notice that Google has a variety of apps you can integrate on the side panel. Look for the Google Keep logo. It's a yellow icon that resembles a light bulb. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking this will open up Google Keep in a sidebar on your calendar page. This is where you can start drafting notes. Now you'll see a Take a Note option become available. Click on Take a Note and a text box will appear, allowing you to jot down anything important you want to keep track of. This could be reminders, thoughts, or to-do lists that you'd like to associate with particular dates or events on your calendar. Once you've entered your note, you'll want to save it. Look for the Done button, typically located towards the bottom of your note area, and click it. This ensures your note is stored and accessible anytime you're viewing your calendar. To ensure everything is synced properly, it's now time to visit the Google Keep website. Open a new tab and go to the Google Keep website. When prompted, make sure to log in using the same Google account you use for your calendar. This consistency in using the same account for both Google Calendar and Keep ensures that your notes are accurately synchronized and available across both platforms. Having your notes available directly within Google Calendar not only helps in organizing your tasks and thoughts better, but also streamlines how you plan your day or week. By integrating Google Keep with Google Calendar, you effectively centralize your scheduling and note-taking, eliminating the need to toggle between different apps constantly. I hope this walkthrough helps you make the most of these tools. Enjoy the seamless integration and the enhanced productivity it brings to your everyday routine.